Hey, welcome to Swift Crossing. I made something. Today I'm going to show you a little something that I made. Well, I repurposed this. I found this dress at a thrift store and I thought, this reminds me of something I've seen before. One of Taylor Swift's Midnight bodysuits. Not exactly, but the vibes are there. Do I know how to do that the right way? No. Do I have sewing experience? No. Do I have sewing supplies? Absolutely not. Do I have the time and dedication right now to learn how to do that? No. What I do have is glue, safety pins, and scissors. I originally left that dress at the thrift store. I realized I did in fact have an event that I could wear this to. I got invited to a Taylor Swift dance party, and if it came out terribly, I had backup outfits I could wear and maybe repurpose this for a Halloween idea that I have in the back of my mind. So I went back to the thrift store. It was thankfully still there. These women that work there were like, wow, what a beautiful dress. And it really was a beautiful dress. And it had a tag that I think means it was somewhat expensive. We're just not gonna think about that. Because I decided I was gonna cut it up. I cut that dress into a lot of different pieces. With the help of my cats, I thought the shoulder details would go better in the hip area, which is where Taylor's fringe is, and that the body of the dress would be better as the top of a bodysuit. I took an old dress of mine that did not fit anymore and used that as the bodysuit base. That was stretchy. The fabric on the dress, no stretch whatsoever. So that kind of worried me a little bit with my zero expertise on how to make an outfit. So I decided I would cut the bodysuit and do a kind of corset approach. So that way I could get the bodysuit on or off without ripping the fabric and losing all the beads that it had. I cut holes along the side, cut fabric strips and used those as corset strings. It was not that pretty. I basically cut the dress into pieces and made a bodysuit pattern out of an old dress using a bodysuit that did fit me in a way that I liked as a pattern. And then I proceeded to glue the blue dress onto this new bodysuit. It worked though. Flash forward to the day of the dance party. The dress is like half done. So I had the front glued down. I let that dry overnight. The next day I was planning to do the back. I tried it on. My cats helped me. They love sparkly things and tassels, so this was right up their alley. I did this in very little time, and it was fun to figure out what I could do with very little supplies and knowledge of what I was doing. I love this time of year, fall, Halloween, getting to just come up with an idea and run with it. So I used the type of glue I had seen others recommend when they were making their Eras Tour outfits. I got the kind with low odor that you can use inside because not all of them you can do that with. Some of them are very hazardous, and my cats loved to help me during this process. And the back, you can actually see it here, the back just kind of split. But we're not paying close attention and we're not shooting for perfection here, obviously. So what I did to fix this was use bonded seam tape. I forget exactly what it's called, but it's strips of adhesive that you place where you'd like it and then you iron on and it instantly adheres the fabric together. That stuff has saved me many times when I needed to hem things since I am fairly short. That worked. I enjoyed how it came out. It definitely got recognized, it got compliments. I had a lot of fun dancing in it. I saved so much time and money by repurposing something. Like, I did not have to recreate any of these beaded tassels, and look at how pretty look at how pretty they were. I couldn't pass it up. So I did have a moment where I thought, you know, if you look very closely, there are pieces that you can quite literally tell I cut and glued together, and I thought, I can't wear this, it looks really bad. But my boyfriend encouraged me. I did a little bit of cleanup with it and tried it on. My cats told me I looked good. My boyfriend told me I looked good. That's all I needed to know. And once I started dancing in it, I was like, this will work for a couple hours of a dance party in the dark with my friends. So although I may not have gone about this the correct way, I did have fun making something new out of something old. And I encourage you, if you see something and have an idea, just try it out, see what you can create. I had a lot of fun with this, and I think it's beautiful. I have a lot of memories with it. The Taylor Swift dance party was so fun. For my next project, I am going to try to recreate the Lover bodysuit in another DIY fashion, and I've seen people who have a lot of dedication and patience hand gluing on some rhinestones. I did that for an Eras Tour outfit, and it takes a lot of patience. I highly respect those people, but I'm gonna try to make the Lover bodysuit out of some fabric that is already pre-sparkly. So this will be the base. I'm going to try to use these sequin sheets that I found at Walmart to place throughout this bodysuit, as well as some glitter and sequins throughout. And then I found this pink sequin tape that I can use as an illusion of the boning. So just something fun for this Halloween idea that I have. So stay tuned, embrace your creativity, have fun with it. It's okay to not be perfect. It's okay to start a project before you're an expert in how to do something. Thanks for watching.
I sharp enough to kill a man. I don't trust a man. Lately I've been dressing for revenge, but I'm the worst of them. They say looks can kill, and I might try. Lately I've been dressing for revenge. Some bad things, but I'm the worst of them. Ladies, I'll be hiding low. What he was doing lies. Someone told his white collar cry. And I don't dress for villains. Or if I'm a vigilante shit.